Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the construction of Harbour City in Montego Bay, Jamaica. It's a commercial building. Probably it's going to be a mall with commercial buildings, so you're going to have retail and commercial. It's located on the waterfront in Montego Bay. It's actually right by Howard Cook Boulevard, in the heart of Montego Bay. This structure, it's massive, huge. It's right beside Harmony Park, and it's about 2 minutes from the Sangster International Airport, 5 minutes from Fairview Shopping Center, and about 2 minutes from Sam Sharp Square. So it is ideally located in the heart of Montego Bay. And a lot of development is going on in Jamaica and in Montego Bay. Though there are plans to build a 28-story building in Montego Bay. And that will make that building the tallest building in Jamaica when it's completed. They have plans to build like a promenade where you can walk from the cruise ship pier but over to Harmony Park. I mean, that's not going to start right now, but it's just in the works. And they have a lot of other commercial developments going up all over Montego Bay. So this is just one. And Montego Bay is going to be connected to Kingston via Highway 2000. So that will make getting to Montego Bay so much easier. Okay, the gate is open, so we're just going to see what's going on. Of course, you can see all the signs. That means it's China Harbour Engineering Company. And I guess the security is telling us we're not supposed to be in here. So we're not going to interfere with him. He's doing his job, so we're just going to come back out. It's a building we want to show you guys anyway. We would have flown the drone to get an aerial view, but though there's so much wind that it wouldn't work. But we're going to do a drone video of this structure because it is massive, huge. And you have to wonder, why do they have the gates open? I mean, shouldn't they close the gates if they don't want cars to go in there? But I guess it's one of those things. Alright guys, well, enjoy the rest of the video. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll also keep you updated as to the progress of this very massive building. Alright guys, have a good day.